Today I'm going to show you the surprising beauty tips, hacks and remedies for magical baking soda. Everyone knows that baking soda can be used for many different things. Predominantly it's used as a cleaning product or a baking ingredient, but it can be used for many different beauty uses as well. So let's take a look at the beauty benefits of baking soda. But before I go any further, you should know that you should be using baking soda and not baking powder, or else the following remedies will not be effective. Number 1. Baking soda for a bath. For a relaxing end to the day, add half a cup of baking soda to your bath to neutralize acids on the skin and help wash away oil and perspiration while you soak. When combined with water, baking soda goes to work softening and soothing the skin whilst calming irritants to the body, such as insect bites, skin irritation or mild sunburn. Some people also like to add a handful of Epsom salts and a few drops of essential oil for added benefit. Number 2 is a hair clarifier. If mousses, serums, sprays and other products build up on your hair, it can take on a sticky feeling. Baking soda to the rescue. Just put in about 2 tablespoons of baking soda into a dollop of your regular shampoo, wash and rinse as usual, and your hair will be shinier and more manageable when you're done. Number 3, baking soda makes a great acne spot treatment. If you run out of your favourite acne treatment, try making a little paste from baking soda and water and applying it to the pimple like a spot treatment. It drives the surface of the offender out like a charm. Number 4, you can make a natural deodorant from baking soda. Baking soda makes a great odour repelling and antibacterial replacement for harsh conventional antiperspirants and deodorants. Create your own deodorant by mixing a teaspoon of baking soda with enough water to create a milky paste. Then rub it under your arms or even your feet. You can also add 10 to 20 drops of essential oil of your choice for a sweeter smell. Number 5. Teeth whitener. Baking soda has almost reached a legendary status as a DIY teeth whitener. For whiter teeth without all the chemicals that come with home whitening kits, simply sprinkle baking soda into your palm, dip a damp toothbrush into it and brush your teeth for about a minute. Note, you shouldn't use baking soda as a replacement for toothpaste. Toothpaste contains fluoride, which is important for preventing cavities. Number 6. Baking soda for glowing skin. You're going to need orange juice and baking soda. Orange has a slightly acidic pH, which helps maintain the pH balance of your skin. It also contains a lot of vitamin C, which helps give your skin a collagen boost. The exfoliating and cleansing properties of baking soda can remove impurities and dead skin cells from your pores. To use this method, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice until you get a smooth paste. Then wash your hands and face. Using a towel, pat away the excess moisture from your face, leaving it slightly damp. Apply the paste on your face like you would a face mask. Once your face is evenly covered, wait about 15 minutes. Then pat some more water on your face and rub the face pack loose. Rinse your face with cool water and pat dry with a clean towel. Finish using a moisturizer and your face will be glowing with lovely skin. Number 7. Baking soda can also be used as a self-tan remover. When your natural bronze glow turns into streaky, patchy or orange-hued disaster, don't despair. Apply a paste of baking soda and lemon juice to the uneven patches and scrub off with a washcloth. Shower, moisturize and voila, your normal healthy complexion will be restored. Number 8. Have a freshening mouth rinse. Kill the bacteria that causes bad breath with a baking soda mouth rinse. Stir a teaspoon of baking soda into half a cup of water until it's dissolved. Swish this around your mouth and gargle with it, and make sure not to swallow. Repeat daily for healthy teeth and gums. Number 9. A hairbrush cleaner. Take a close look at your hairbrush and you may be totally grossed out by what you see that's built up on the base of the bristles. Rather than tossing it straight into the garbage can, remove this product residue by soaking your brushes and combs in a basin of warm water and 1 teaspoon of baking soda for about 20 minutes. Rinse and then allow to dry on a towel before using. Number 10. Razor Burn Soother. A razor burn bikini line can be painful, not to mention unsightly, but you can soothe your sensitive skin with a solution of 1 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Allow the solution to dry on your skin. It can take up to 5 minutes, and then rinse with cool water. Men can also use the same formula for a pre-shave or aftershave treatment. Number 11 is a prelude to a manicure. Dip a small nail brush into some baking soda and gently scrub under your nails and around the cuticles until clean. Then make a paste of 3 parts baking soda and 1 part water and rub in a gentle circular motion over hands and the fingers to exfoliate and smooth. Rinse clean with warm water and apply polish as usual. Scrubbing your fingertips with the mixture will exfoliate dead, dry skin cells and leave you with smoother, healthier nail beds. Number 12. To calm an uneasy stomach. Okay, this isn't exactly a beauty solution, but it works so well that I had to share. Acid stomach, heartburn, gas and other tummy issues are quickly relieved by baking soda because its slight alkalinity can neutralize the acid causing the problem. Just mix 1 tablespoon into a glass of warm water and drink it down. Number 13. Blackhead Remover. A teaspoon of baking soda mixed with a cup of pure distilled water makes an excellent solution for blackheads. First, clean your skin, then mix up the solution and hold your head over a basin of hot water with a towel over your head to help concentrate the heat and steam. Extraction of the blackhead should be done gently with fingers wrapped in cotton, never nails or fingertips. Number 14. Get rid of stains on hands. To get rid of stains on your hands, try adding a dash of soda to some liquid castile soap and scrub. With a pH of 8 and natural antibacterial qualities, this soap is more gentle than most hand washes that you'll find on the market. Number 15. A dry shampoo. Desperate times can call for desperate measures, and whilst we wouldn't wish a lack of shampoo upon our worst enemy, baking soda makes a great replacement. Sprinkle a small amount onto your scalp and then comb, fluff and enjoy as you would the real thing. Number 16. Baking soda can be used to soften tough calluses. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to a basin of warm water and add a few drops of lavender oil. After a nice long soak, scrub the calluses away with 3 parts baking soda, 1 part water and 1 part brown sugar. Follow with an application of a rich moisturizer and a warm towel foot wrap. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Number 17. As a face wash. Try this recipe for a gentle antifungal face wash. Combine 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey and 1 tablespoon of baking soda in your palm and rub them together. Then massage gently in a circular motion. Let it sit for about a minute and then rinse thoroughly with warm water. Number 18. Toenail fungus. That nasty fungus living underneath your toenails needs an acidic environment to survive, which is why alkaline baking soda is so successful at getting rid of it. A study published in the Journal of International Society of Sports Nutrition found that a blend of baking soda, tea tree oil, basil oil, sage oil and arrowroot was effective against the growth of fungal infections of the feet. Apply the mixture to the affected nails daily before putting your shoes and socks on. The old damaged nails should be replaced with healthy new ones. You can also sprinkle baking soda in your shoes when you're not wearing them to absorb odours and kill any fungus that may be lurking in there. Number 19. Baking soda for mouth ulcers. All you need to do is combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of water to get a smooth paste. Apply this paste onto the ulcer and leave it on for a couple of minutes until it dries up. Once dry, rinse the baking soda out and gargle. Do this every day, once every day, until the ulcer starts to disappear. This works because baking soda helps neutralize the acidity in your mouth while also reducing inflammation. It helps soothe the ulcer and keeps it from getting infected. Number 20. Facial scrub. If you love that deep clean feeling you get from a facial scrub with microbeads, then these products may do wonders for your skin, but they're also damaging our environment. These tiny plastic beads slip through water filtration systems and are making their way into our streams and oceans, posing a risk to fish and other wildlife. A safe alternative is to make your own exfoliating facial scrub using baking soda. To make this, Use 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water to make a kind of paste. Rub it on your face gently in a circular motion and then you can rinse with warm water. Number 21, you can use baking soda for dark lips. All you need to do is combine honey and baking soda until you get a smooth paste. Apply this mixture onto your lips and leave it for about 2 minutes. Then use your fingertips gently to rub the mixture on your lips to exfoliate. You need to do this 2 to 3 times a week. So why does this work? Well, honey and baking soda help get rid of the dead skin cells from your lips. They also help to bleach your skin to naturally lighten and colour your lips. Before I finish, there are a couple of things you should know if you're going to use baking soda on your skin. It can be very drying and it may even cause irritation to those with sensitive skin. To ensure baking soda is right for you, test out any treatment using sodium bicarbonate on a small patch of skin before applying it liberally. Discontinue use if you experience any unwanted side effects. No matter what your skin type, you should avoid using baking soda too regularly as it may alter the pH balance of your skin. I hope you've enjoyed the surprising beauty tips, hacks and remedies for using baking soda. And if you like this video, I'm sure you're going to love this video on the amazing beauty hacks and tips of using Vaseline, or as it's commonly known, petroleum jelly. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video the thumbs up. Thanks for watching and bye for now.